Welcome to DataNimbus.io, the future of cloud, native API, first intelligent automation. As a cloud-native platform, DataNimbus.io leverages the power of the cloud to offer unparalleled scalability and flexibility. Our API-first approach ensures seamless integration and interoperability with your existing systems, streamlining your digital transformation journey. Data APIification. Let's log in on the author UI of DataNimbus.io. We'll create a service called Customers on the Data Service page. Once created, we can add fields that we want to store in our database. On the Schema Design page, we can choose from the various data types available and also add schema validation after adding a few fields. After a few seconds of clicking Save and Deploy, the data service status will be running, and we can click on API Docs to see all the available APIs. Data transformation and orchestration. Now that we have done data APIification, let's see how we transform it. We have source on the left hand and target on the right hand. We can do fuzzy mapping, and in a split second, it will map all the matching attributes. Now we can fine-tune the mapping by simple drag and drop. We can also add formulas to transform data on the fly. Data pipe invocation, tracking, and debugging. We are on the App Center UI of DataNimbus.io platform. Here we can track and trace any process flow. Let's see this interaction which has failed. This UI shows us exactly where the error occurred. We can check the incoming and outgoing data of every node. We can see this node has error, and by looking at its incoming and outgoing data, we will get to know why the error occurred. Data security. Data security is essential for any software to work. DataNimbus.io provides complete control on your data. You can create as many configurations as you want with the help of groups. Here, you can assign roles and permission to allow access to specific section or data to a set of users. You can add or remove users in a group to allow or revoke access. Just by saving the group, the configuration is activated. Data virtualization. Let's create a data service with Data Connector as MySQL. We will create all those fields that we want to fetch from MySQL database. We will change the key to match the table column. We will deploy this data service, and we will go to the App Center UI. Here, we will click on the newly created data service, and we can see the existing data of MySQL database, notification and alerts, data pre- and post hooks. DataNimbus.io platform provides seamless integration solution using pre-hooks and post-hooks. With pre-hooks, a user can configure a URL which can clean, enrich, or validate data before it is stored into the DB. With post-hooks, a user can inform an external system about any change that may have occurred in the document. The platform provides an intuitive UI to track and trace these hooks. Maker-checker workflows. On DataNimbus.io's author platform, create a workflow in the Experience tab for the data service. Save and deploy changes, then navigate to the Groups page to create or modify a group. Add the checker role and include the user as a member. Switch to the App Center platform, log in as the maker, and create a record requiring approval. Provide details and comments for the checker. The checker, upon login, finds pending records in the Workflow tab, reviews details, and responds with approval, rejection, or requests rework. Upon approval, the record is created.